Hi there, it's Alexandra from the Middlesized Garden YouTube channel. But it is a great time to sort out things like gardening gloves. Now I've got a huge collection here, for example, and some of them are just brilliant and I'm longing to tell you about them. And some of them I kind of think you better not waste your money. I'm going to start by showing you the gloves that I don't think work and show you why I don't think they work. Now these came as a sort of freebie, pink, look quite waterproof. You put them on and even though everybody's hand is obviously a different size, you can see that the fingers, my fingers go down to there. There's nothing, it strains when I make a fist, it strains across there. There's no flexibility. The palm is the same as the back. It's a little bit short on the wrist. And basically this is more like a straitjacket than a protection. This looks a little bit more practical because it's in two different materials, and the hand, the palm and the fingers have got some hard wearing kind of rubberized dots on them. But it's a little bit longer in the fingers and also in the wrists. But you know, this is still quite restrictive. There's no give over the knuckles. There's not much give over the fingers. So now onto my favourite gloves. Sorry they're so dirty, but you can see they really are my favourite. These are shower gloves, and now you can immediately see how incredibly flexible they are. They fit very neatly around the wrist, complete flexibility over the knuckles, indeed also here. The palm is, you know, very resistant to water and weather. And I've had these for literally 3 years and I've worn them all the time. So I think these are great. The next one is a Fiskars glove, which I've actually only had for about 6 months or so. But I've actually found this one very good as well. Once again, it's quite nicely fitting around the wrist with a little bit of a cuff. And you've got this elasticity around the knuckles that makes it just a good glove for moving around. The palm is really quite reinforced on the fingers, so I think that would be quite good protection. It makes it a slightly stiffer glove than the shower to use, but I think that it would, I've used it a lot, and I pull it out of the basket almost as much as I pull the shower ones out. And finally, the Cobra glove. Now this one is one that actually my husband's very keen on using. He really likes this heavy duty reinforcement here. It's really got a very protected palm. And then there's this flexibility. This is sort of like neoprene here, and then all of this. So it is a very flexible glove, and it ties around the wrist. The Middlesized Garden YouTube channel uploads on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and do let me know what you'd like me to cover, if you've got any particular gardening problems or if there are sorts of gardens, types of gardens you'd like to see more of. And if you're new here, please subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.